Have you ever noticed how your skin starts acting up the moment the seasons change? One minute it's dry and tight from winter, and the next, bam, you're dealing with unexpected breakouts, excess oil, or even dullness that just won't go away. Well, you're not alone, and there's a good reason for that. Spring is one of those beautiful, chaotic seasons. Nature's blooming, birds are singing, and the sun finally starts to warm up our days. But while we're welcoming this gorgeous transformation on the outside, our skin is going through its own little crisis behind the scenes. It's trying to adapt to rising humidity, increasing UV levels, changes in temperature, and environmental allergens like pollen and dust, all at once. And you know what? That transition can totally throw off your skincare routine if you don't adjust it accordingly. So in today's video, we're diving deep into what your skin actually needs during spring, backed by real dermatological advice, no fluff. I'll also share some next-level, high-performance products that can help you reset your routine with elegance and intention. And yes, they're luxurious, but they're worth every penny. Whether you're dealing with dullness, oiliness, breakouts, or just looking to glow again, stay with me till the end because I promise you'll walk away feeling empowered, informed, and ready to bloom. Every season affects our skin in different ways, and spring is no exception. In fact, it might just be one of the most challenging seasons for our skin to navigate. Let's break it down. First, we've got a sudden increase in temperature and humidity. This sounds lovely, right? But here's the catch. As the weather warms up, your skin's sebaceous glands start to produce more oil. That can make your skin look shiny, greasy, and more prone to breakouts, especially if you're still using heavy winter creams that aren't formulated for warmer months. Second, UV radiation goes up significantly in the spring. The days get longer, and we naturally spend more time outside, walking the dog, exercising, or just soaking up that long-missed sunshine. But here's what most people don't realize. UV rays in early spring can be just as intense, or even worse than in summer, because our skin isn't used to it yet. Dermatologists actually call this UV shock, and it's one of the biggest culprits for premature aging and sun damage in the spring. Third, let's talk about pollen and airborne allergens. Yep, they're not just annoying for your sinuses. People with sensitive skin, or even mild rosacea or eczema, may experience redness, itching, or tiny bumps triggered by exposure to allergens in the air. So what does this mean for you? It means spring skincare isn't just about lightening things up. It's about protecting your skin from invisible stressors, rebalancing oil production, and soothing inflammation, all while prepping for increased sun exposure. And no, you don't need a cabinet full of serums. You just need smart, strategic swaps, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. All right, let's get to the heart of it. What should you actually do in your skincare routine this spring? Let's keep it simple but powerful. Step 1, clean gently but thoroughly. After winter, your skin might still be recovering from dryness. So ditch any harsh cleansers that make your face feel tight. Instead, go for something with a low pH and calming ingredients. Think green tea, oat extract, or glycerin. You want your skin clean, not stripped. Step 2, exfoliate smartly. Now's the perfect time to reintroduce exfoliation, especially if your skin feels rough or looks a bit dull. But please, put down the scrubs with rough beads or walnut shells. Instead, use a chemical exfoliant like lactic acid or polyhydroxy acids, PHAs, 1 to 2 times a week. They remove dead cells gently, improve skin texture, and prep your skin to better absorb serums and moisturizers. Step 3, moisturize without suffocating your skin. Thick winter creams? It's time to say goodbye. Go for gel-based or water-based moisturizers with hyaluronic acid, panthenol, or squalane. These give you that bouncy, dewy finish without making your skin feel heavy or sticky. Step 4, add an antioxidant serum. This is your secret weapon. Products with vitamin C, resveratrol, or ferulic acid help fight the damage caused by pollution and sunlight, and they give your skin a luminous glow. Just make sure they come in airtight, dark containers, because vitamin C breaks down fast when exposed to light and air. Step 5, and last but never least, sunscreen. Yes, even on cloudy days, broad spectrum SPF 30 plus is the gold standard. Look for formulas that are lightweight, non-comedogenic, and easy to reapply, especially if you're active outdoors. Now that we've laid the foundation for what your skin actually needs this season, let's talk about the real tools, the skincare heroes that make it all happen. What I'm about to share with you isn't just hype or pretty packaging. These are premium products, designed with purpose, tested by dermatologists, and loved by people who truly value results. Whether you're dealing with dullness, dehydration, early signs of aging, or just looking to elevate your routine, these formulas have something to offer. Let's go through them one by one, and I'll explain not just what they do, but why they matter. One Wake Up With Me Brightening Morning Routine Set by Sunday Riley. Let's start with the one that feels like a skincare class in a box. This set gives you an entire morning routine, from cleanser to vitamin C serum, eye cream, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Everything coordinated to support your skin from the moment you wake up. Each formula is carefully selected to work with the others. And that's important. It means fewer chances for irritation and better results over time. You get gentle exfoliation, potent antioxidant protection, balanced hydration, and broad-spectrum sun defense, all in one elegant system. The vitamin C serum here is a highlight, stabilized, non-sticky, and genuinely brightening. It helps fade dark spots and gives your complexion that soft, healthy glow. For anyone who feels overwhelmed by endless skincare steps, this is a simple but incredibly effective way to reset your routine without losing performance. Real user feedback? People say their skin looks visibly smoother and more radiant within just 2 weeks. 2 Elasti Derm Lift and Sculpt Facial Moisturizer by Obagi. If you've started noticing signs of laxity, a soft jawline, fine lines becoming more pronounced, or that general feeling that your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to, this is where you want to pay attention. This facial moisturizer uses Obagi's exclusive bimineral contour complex, which works with your skin's natural elasticity. It's not just a surface hydrator. It goes deeper to support structural proteins like elastin that help your skin hold its shape. It also contains malonic acid, a gentle but effective exfoliant that smooths texture and boosts cell turnover without irritating sensitive skin. What really sets this apart? The way it firms without feeling tight. The texture is silky, almost like a serum cream hybrid, and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy film. Users often describe it as contour in a jar, because with consistent use, they start noticing more definition along the cheekbones and jaw. Whether you're dealing with early aging or want to maintain what you've got, this formula brings serious results. Number 3. 24K Gold Pure Luxury Eye Patches by Peter Thomas Roth. We all have those mornings, maybe after a late night, a few too many hours at the screen, or a bad sleep cycle when our under eyes betray us. Puffiness, dark circles, fine lines. It happens. That's where these eye patches come in. Infused with colloidal gold, caffeine, and hydrolyzed collagen, they work like a 10-minute spa treatment for your eyes. The gold isn't just for show. It has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that help reduce swelling and brighten the under-eye area. Caffeine helps stimulate circulation, reducing fluid buildup and that heavy, tired look. Collagen helps smooth the fine lines, especially that little crease we all get right beneath the outer corners. And here's the thing, they're cooling, comfortable, and the effects are visible. Whether you're prepping for a video call, a special event, or just want to feel fresh in the morning, these patches deliver an instant confidence boost. People love keeping them in the fridge for extra depuffing power and say they make you look like you actually slept 8 hours, even when you didn't. 4 Hey Rejuvenating Hydrator by Skin Medica. If your skin ever feels tight, flaky, or like no matter how much you moisturize, it still looks dry, this is the solution you've been searching for. Unlike regular moisturizers that only sit on the surface, this formula combines 5 different forms of hyaluronic acid, each targeting a different layer of your skin. That means hydration on a whole new level. Your skin doesn't just look dewy for an hour and dry out again. This keeps you hydrated throughout the day, smoothing out texture and softening fine lines. It it also helps improve skin barrier function, which is key for protecting against environmental stressors like wind, pollution, or seasonal allergens. What's amazing is that this formula is completely weightless. You apply it, and within seconds, it disappears into your skin. No stickiness, no shine, just plump, silky softness. Reviewers say it's the one product they always come back to, and that their makeup applies better when they use it. If you're after real hydration with long-term benefits, not just a temporary fix, this is a must-have. Number 5, Active Serum by iSClinical. This is the powerhouse, the one product in this lineup that truly does it all. Whether you're struggling with adult acne, enlarged pores, uneven tone, or signs of aging like fine lines or dullness, this serum is clinically formulated to address them all. And fast. The blend of botanical-based acids, including glycolic, salicylic, and lactic acids, offers gentle but effective exfoliation. It helps clear clogged pores, stimulate collagen, and speed up cell renewal without causing flaking or redness. There's a slight tingling when you apply it, which many users actually enjoy because it means the active ingredients are working. But the formula also includes soothing extracts to prevent irritation. Used nightly, this serum helps balance oil production, reduce blemishes, fade dark spots, and leave your skin noticeably smoother and more refined. Many dermatologists recommend it for people who want visible results fast, and it's a favorite among professionals for a reason. It's elegant, powerful, and totally worth the splurge if you're serious about improving your skin. So those are the 5, each one a game changer in its own right. And no, they're not budget picks. But what they offer is peace of mind, knowing you're giving your skin exactly what it needs, with ingredients that are backed by science and real-world results. You can check out the links down below in the video description and in the first pinned comment if any of these sound like a fit for you. And if you've already tried any of them, let me know your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear what's worked for you. And there you have it. A full spring skincare reset, backed by real ingredients, real science, and real results. Remember, taking care of your skin isn't about chasing perfection. It's about giving it what it needs to thrive through the changes in weather, the ups and downs of daily life, and everything in between. Whether you're just starting to build your skincare routine or you're looking to elevate it with high-performance solutions, these products are designed to help your skin glow, not just for a moment, but for the long run. And hey, if any of them caught your eye, you'll find all the links down below in the description and right at the top of the comments. Just scroll down when you're ready and take a closer look. Each one has been selected with intention, and they're trusted by professionals and everyday users alike. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover the content. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more honest, friendly product reviews like this with zero fluff and lots of heart. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and let your skin bloom this spring. See you in the next one.